You love motorcycles. The speed, the freedom, the thrill of the open road. But what if I told you that some of the things you believe about motorcycle maintenance are completely wrong? Could you be unintentionally damaging your dream machine? Stay with me, because today, we're busting the biggest motorcycle maintenance myths, and what you learn might just save your bike and your wallet. Why myths exist. For decades, riders have passed down wisdom about how to care for their bikes. Some of it is pure gold. But some? Nothing more than outdated myths. So, let's break it all down, starting with one of the most common misconceptions. 1. Premium fuel makes your bike faster. You see that high-octane fuel, and you think, more power, right? Not so fast. The truth is, unless your bike specifically requires premium fuel, using it won't boost performance. High-octane prevents knocking in high-compression engines, it doesn't add power. So, if your manual says regular, save your money and stick to it. Speaking of fuel, that brings us to another big misconception. You've heard that fuel additives will clean your engine and keep it running smoothly, but do they really? 2. Fuel additives are necessary for a clean engine. Some brands claim their additives will make your engine last longer and perform better. But here's the real deal: modern gasoline already contains detergents that keep your engine clean. Unless your bike sits unused for months, most additives are just a marketing gimmick. What actually matters is how often you ride. But what about oil changes? You've probably heard this one. Change your oil every 3,000 miles, right? What if I told you that's not always true? 3. Oil must be changed every 3,000 miles. While changing your oil regularly is crucial, the every 3,000 miles rule is outdated. Modern synthetic oils and improved engines mean some bikes can go 5,000 or even 7,000 miles between changes. Always check your owner's manual. Your bike might not need fresh oil as often as you think. But what about washing your bike? Could that actually be hurting it? Washing your bike regularly is good, right? What if I told you it could cause serious damage? 4. Pressure washing your bike is safe. It's fast, it's easy, and it's risky. High-pressure water can force dirt into seals, bearings, and electrical components, causing more harm than good. Instead, use a gentle wash with a microfiber cloth and mild soap. Your bike will thank you. But let's talk about something more critical: warming up your engine. Do you really need to let your bike idle for minutes before riding? 5. You need to warm up your bike for minutes. Older carbureted bikes needed warming up, but modern fuel-injected bikes? Not so much. Idling too long can actually cause carbon buildup. Instead, start your engine, let it run for about 30 seconds, and ride gently for the first few miles. Your engine warms up faster this way. The build-up, busting more myths. 6. Chain lube isn't necessary if you have an O-ring chain. O-ring chains do retain lubrication inside the seals, but that doesn't mean you can skip chain maintenance. Dirt, grime, and rust can still wear down your chain. A good lube keeps it running smooth and extends its lifespan. But what if your battery dies? Push starting sounds like a good idea, right? Well, here's the truth about jump starting your bike. It's not as simple as you think. 7. You can jumpstart a motorcycle with a car battery. Yes, a car battery can jumpstart a bike, but it's risky. Car batteries are much stronger, and a power surge could fry your bike's delicate electrical system. If you must jumpstart, use a motorcycle battery or a dedicated jump starter. Now, let's talk about something that could be putting your safety at risk: tire pressure. 8. Maximum tire pressure equals better performance. Overinflating your tires can actually reduce traction, making your ride less stable. The best tire pressure? Whatever your manufacturer recommends. It's designed for the best balance of grip, wear, and handling. The reveal, final truth and takeaway. So, what have we learned today? Many so-called rules of motorcycle maintenance are just myths. The truth is, your bike doesn't need unnecessary fuel additives, oil changes every 3,000 miles, or an extended warm-up. But it does need proper chain care, correct tire pressure, and a gentle wash routine. By separating fact from fiction, you'll not only protect your motorcycle, you'll ride safer, longer, and smarter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more expert motorcycle content. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest maintenance myth you believed? Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.